Welcome back, viewers. Today we will be testing the MACD strategy indicator. But before we do, if you have not watched the first video on the channel and all the videos after that, you need to go do that now. Here at the Academy of Forex, we are building the best trading system possible as a team. And as a team, we will all profit from it when we are done. You can find a link to the first video down below in the description, and you should also see it pop up in the top corner right now. There is also a link down below to sign up for Tradingview. You can save a little bit of money if you use the link below to sign up for your account. You can also find a link below to join us on Discord. Discord is a free group communication platform where we are having great discussions about all things to do with trading. Lastly, if you would like a list of all the indicators we have tested along with their win rates, but you aren't interested in watching all the videos on the channel, you can sign up for our $9 Patreon, and you will receive the complete list of indicators. We also would like to introduce our Patreon exclusive Discord channel. As a $9 Patreon, you will be invited to join an exclusive Discord channel where we will give you a list of winning indicators and links for the MT platform, give you winning strategies, post trade ideas, give advanced advice, and much more. So click the link below to join our Patreon. Alright, as I said, today we will be testing the MACD strategy indicator. Before we do though, I wanted to put the testing scoreboard up for everyone to see. So to date, we have tested a total of 26 different strategies with a total of 6 winners. We have also tested a total of 393 indicators with a total of 160 winners, which means that they have met or exceeded the 60% win-loss ratio threshold that we have set for them. The best ones so far were able to achieve a 100% win rate. Now you need to go back and watch those videos to understand the context of how they were able to achieve that. But as we are working on building the best trading system possible, you could take any one of those 160 indicators and get out there and start potentially profitably trading the markets with them now. So go back and watch those videos, make a list of those indicators, and get out there and see what you can do with them. But stick with us here as we work on maximizing your trading profits. Okay, so today's indicator is the MACD strategy indicator. And you can see here that I have turned the theme on this to dark. This was requested by one of the viewers. All of you guys out there, all of you viewers, let me know what you think. I always kept my screen on the light color for some reason. I'm not sure why I ended up doing that a long time ago, but I did it and I liked it, and I just always kept it like that. And so yeah, let me know what you think about the dark color versus the light color. If a lot of you like or prefer the dark color, then we'll keep it on dark. If a lot of you like the light color, the white color that I had it on, let me know that as well, and I'll change it back. Or I can even try maybe a different color. I think you can change the background to like gray as well, something like that. So anyways, back to the indicator here. So the MACD strategy indicator, you can see these green arrows right here. Now supposedly this indicator should give you buy and sell signals, but mostly I see just buy signals, just green arrows. And so basically what we're going to do is when a green arrow comes up, we're going to go long. When a red arrow comes up, we're going to go short. That's pretty much it. Pretty simple. Not much to it other than that. Let's go ahead and get on with it and see what we get. All right, so we pick pick up the first signal right there. It's going to be a long. Looks like we got a pretty hefty. We did pretty hard pullback there. Very next candle drops considerably far down there and definitely hits our stop. Then we pick up a long right there on that one, and a long almost immediately after, which we would have still been in this one, but that one would have gotten us to take profit, so not so bad. Let's go ahead and continue forth here. And so it's already quite apparent that this indicator doesn't give a lot of signals in 1 year's time. And so that's always something we need to be mindful of. There is a signal right there. What is our stop? 90 pips. So it stays within our stop and is able to work itself under there, roll itself back up to the upside, and get us to take profit. So go ahead and continue forward a little bit here. See if we can snag another signal. And it does not appear as though we are going to be able to do that. So we are at the end of the year now. Before we add these up, now would be a good time to say that if you are interested in excelling your trading knowledge, whether you're a new trader or an experienced trader, I highly recommend that you join our Patreon only channel on our Discord server. You can find a link to our Patreon down below. You can also find a link to the Discord down below as well. Once you sign up for our Patreon, that will give you access to the Patreon only channel on the Discord, where we are posting some really great advanced information about trading indicators, trading strategies, and trading philosophy in general. Our admin Jay has put together a rather lengthy list of winning indicators for the MT platform, so if you use the MT platform quite a bit, that would be a very handy list for you to have. Our regular members as well as admins are also posting regular, almost every day market analysis, trade analysis, where they're putting up screenshots of charts where they've marked out areas of support and resistance, indicators that they're using, exactly where they're entering and exiting trades, taking profits. The whole deal. They're growing small accounts really quickly with the information that they're putting out for everyone to see. And lastly, one thing that I've been doing here recently is I've put together an Excel sheet of all the strategies that we have tested, and it shows exactly which strategies were winners, which ones were losers, their win rates, the whole deal. Really, really insightful stuff there. So you'll get that list. Has links to the videos to go back and review the strategies as well. And so you'll get that list as well as the full list of indicators that we have tested with their win rates and which ones were winners and which ones were losers. So a lot of great benefit to becoming a patron of the channel. And it doesn't cost hardly anything at all. It is really super cheap. So highly recommend it. All right. So let's go ahead and take a look at what we have here. So we end up with three trades, 3 signals, and we have 2 winners. And so that is barely going to squeeze itself over that 60%. I mean, obviously the downfall of this is that it only gave us 3 trades within a year's time, which is definitely not a great way to get signals. And there were no short signals on here, oddly enough. Not quite figured out why exactly that is. Maybe go into the settings. I never did go into the settings and see. Maybe there was something turned off, but nonetheless, for now this one's going to go on the yes list, and we will move on to the next indicator from here. If you have not already, like this video, share this video, comment below, and subscribe to the channel. Also turn on the bell notification so that way you are notified anytime I post a new video. so that way you know what indicators we have tested and are testing. Also, there is a link down below to join our Discord server, which is a free group communication platform where we discuss all things trading related. There is also a link down below to Tradingview, and if you use that link to Tradingview to sign up for an account, you will save a little bit of money. And lastly, there is a link down below to sign up for Patreon. Please sign up for the Patreon and support the channel the best way you can.